What?
The syllables, girl.
Bitch. I told you about that one bitch last time, right? This bitch had me so motherfucking fucked up. We was on our way to get some motherfucking weed, right?
Right.
This bitch gonna give me a half a motherfucking gram. I said, well, bitch, I should give you $5 motherfucking dollars.
She said dollars.
Bitch, how the fuck you gonna give me a half a motherfucking gram when I gave your ass a full motherfucking 10? I want my other motherfucking gram, bitch.
Oh, shit.
Y'all gotta drive all the way back to your house just to beat your motherfucking ass, bitch. Do you know how much of an inconvenience that is for me, bitch? When the ghetto ass bitch that be trying to sound smart and shit.